Hey, welcome back, you guys. Sean and Alice again, Bay Real experts, Coldwell Banker
Right.
Realty in
Santa Rosa Beach. Today we're taking a day in Santa Rosa Beach and driving around and checking the properties over here.
We're in Watersound, and specifically, whose listing is this that we want to say thanks for letting us do a tour of your nice home here? And I'm going to show you the kitchen while Alice goes ahead and rolls credits.
Well, first we are at 34 Quarterman Lane. Isn't that cute?
Yeah, in Watersound.
Right. And thank you, Cliff Cohen and Cynthia Cobine from
Hey, video
Scenic.
number 2.
Yes, Scenic Sotheby's International Realty for allowing us to do a video for our
Another great listing,
Prospect.
you guys. Thanks again. Alice, tell us a little bit about this home. So, obviously, we're in the kitchen.
Right. It is 2,387 square feet. You have a primary bedroom downstairs, and I see that you're going to the front door, and I'll point out that is a one-car garage.
Okay.
So you can park your Ferrari on this one.
All right.
Downstairs, you have the primary bedroom here.
Here's first a half bath there. And then she went to, as she said, primary bedroom on the main level.
Right. And you have a walk-in shower in the bathroom, double vanity, quartz countertop. You have all wood flooring
Except for in the bathroom.
downstairs. Sure, yes.
We got tile here.
I do love the
Little
tall,
water closet there.
tall doors.
Yeah, so not only we got tall ceilings, we got tall doors to match. I want to go out on the back porch here after we show the living room. Most of these homes in Watersound will have a screened-in porch, so when the weather is pleasant or cool like it is right now, you can hang out outside.
And this home is on the end of the road, so it's right next door to a forest preserve.
Okay. Listen how quiet it is, you guys. Yes. So quiet out here. So you got a nice little relaxing spot to enjoy your coffee, tea, wine, glass of milk.
Whatever you may
Whatever.
like.
It is January, dry January, so you can have your sweet tea on the porch. There's a grill out there, so right at the, you said the preserve, the edge of the nature right there. Let's go upstairs.
So upstairs you're gonna find another 2 full bedrooms and a bunk room.
Okay. So you got 4 total sleeping areas. And Alice, you mentioned that this is a vacation rental. What kind of numbers are we talking about?
Correct. They're about 113 up to possibility 140.
Yep. Really beautiful common areas to explore here.
There are many boardwalks that run through the neighborhood. And look at here, there's a putt-putt.
Nice.
So lots of green space. You can hear the birds.
Yeah, we just saw a squirrel too. But yeah, tons of walking paths. What a great space where you can play catch. See, it's almost like I paid them to just go ahead and set up and do some family quality time for the video.
See,
So the price, I believe, was like 1.9 for this
yes, 1.939.
home. 1.39.
You're correct.
1939. And we just showed the bunk area and the final bedroom here with its closet right there. And then the bathroom attached to it right here.
Also wood flooring upstairs.
What did you say?
Also wood flooring upstairs.
Oh, yes.
Yes.
Very nice. Very nice. Okay, well, I think that pretty much wraps up this tour. So, let me jump back in the shot here. If you guys want to see this home in person, you know what to do. We're going to leave our contact information down below. And if you like watching home tours like this, we do this kind of stuff all the time. So don't forget to hit the like button. If you want to see the next one, make sure you're subscribed to the YouTube channel, Behavioral Experts.
See you in the next one. Bye-bye for now.
Your head is full of dreams. Tears are a proof of failure. You just gotta let them flow without judge. There's so many ways to be happy.